Hey guys, I want to thank you for being a subscriber to my ham radio channel for a long time. I didn't put a lot of content out. A lot of my content was from a long time ago. About a year ago, I was pretty active in ham stuff, building a lot of amplifiers, antennas, stuff like that. I should have really done a channel on that, but I didn't. So right now, I'm not doing a whole lot of ham stuff, but I wanted to put this out there for you guys that subscribe to my CB conversion video and all that stuff. I am going to do some ham stuff in the future. Just don't have any plan right this second. But if you're into technology, you're into stuff like that, I've got a drone channel. I'm inviting you over. Hit the subscribe button. You'll see below I'll have a link to the channel. I also have an outdoor channel. I'll have a link for that also. And I'd like to invite you to come over, check it out. If it's content you like, hit the subscribe button. Got a lot of good content planned, a lot of helpful stuff, a lot of tech type stuff. Arduino is going to be a big thing, some Raspberry Pi. I'll probably do a review. I've got a DMR repeater I built with a Raspberry Pi and a digital voice modem hat for it. I'll probably do a review on that, show you how the build went and stuff like that. So come on over, check it out. If you like it, hit the subscribe button.